If you think knotless braids are boring, then watch this. Let me show you different ways to switch them up. Hello, my name is Fisayo and I am here to tell you that you probably don't need new braids, you just need new ways to style them. And in this video, I'll be showing you 16 styles that you can do in about 5 minutes. Of course, the first one is the ponytail, which is probably what you have had on since you made your own knotless mermaid braids. But I'm going to show this because, of course, we're starting from the easiest to the more stylish one or more advanced one, whatever you want to call it. So you basically just put your hair in a ponytail, use a rubber band or whatever it is you have to pack it, and you put a scrunchie to just spice things up. Don't just leave your ponytail like that. You can see the scrunchie did something to that braid and just made my face pop more. Okay, the second style is popularly called donuts. This is because of the shape of donut it gives after you are done wrapping it. So basically, while your hair is still in the ponytail form, you're just going to section the middle of the hair, just section it at the middle and start wrapping, just like I am doing in the video. This particular style is very good if you work in a place that does not allow your hair to be put down, or maybe you want to work out at the gym and you don't want your hair rubbing on your sweat. You can also rock this style when the weather is hot and you do not want your hair adding more heat to your body. The next style is similar to the donuts that we just did, but this time around, while your hair is in a ponytail, you are going to separate it into 2 equal halves and you braid each of the halves. And when you are done braiding it, you're just going to pin it down with a bobby pin. This next style is one of my favorite go-to styles. All you have to do is just section your hair at the middle and pick some of the braids out. Then you wrap it to the back. You take them to the back and wrap it on the ponytail. The point where your hair was held in ponytail, you just wrap it on it and you're good to go. You can also use a scrunchie to accessorize, but I did not in this video. But using a scrunchie, I can actually help you beautify it more. This particular style can be rocked in another way, which takes me to the next style. All you have to do is just to hold the tip of your braids together and you use a bobby pin to clip it to the back of your hair. This way, your ponytail is not actually rubbing on your body and you're good to go. This particular style is very nice when your hair is still neat, or when you know that the side of your braids or the side of your edges at the front are getting rough. So this style helps you to cover it as well. The next style is also a variety of ponytail. All you have to do is to bring out some of your braids at the front, then you take it to the side, you take it out on the other hand, just watch what I am doing, then you attach it to your ponytail, just like that. You can also accessorize with a scrunchie or whatever it is that you like. You see, this particular style, I'd like to call it the soft girl glam because it does it for almost everybody, trust me. And if you think you have a very obvious forehead when you put your hair in a ponytail, this is your go-to style, okay? Up next is the half updo. As you can see, we are done with the ponytail varieties. So for this particular style, which I call the half updo, you're just going to take a portion of your braids at the top and you put it in the ponytail. Then you let the remaining part of your braids at the back, you let it down. Then you can leave some at the front as well, like I did in this particular video, and you can decide to put every part of the front in a ponytail. It's just totally up to you, but I like it like this more. The next style is a variety of this particular style, and what you have to do for this style is just to put the half updo in a donut. So the half updo, the one you put in a ponytail, you're just going to make a donut shape out of it and you wrap it just like that. The next style is also a variety of the last style, and for this style, you take the braids on the side that are dangling, you fold it into half and you roll it on the braid itself, just like I'm doing in this video. You can do 2 braids on each side, you can do up to 4 depending on how many strands of braids you left dangling. And as you can tell, this particular style gives a different kind of vibe. So this is another way you can rock your half updo. Up next is the style I would call the two jolly friends, and for this style all you have to do is to divide your braids into two equal halves and you pack each of the halves separately and you are good to go. The next style is simply a variety of the last one, and for this style what you are doing is basically putting your two jolly friends in two different donut shapes. This style is good for you when you want to give a cute girly look, or you want to have your back to school day at school and you're on your braids. You don't have to take out your braids, just put your hair in this style and you're good to go. Number 12 is also a variety of the two jolly friends, but this particular style gives you a baby girl look when you rock it. So from one of the friends, you take some braid from it, you take it to the other side and you attach the end of the braids back to the friend you took it from, if that makes sense. So you just wrap the tip of the braid to the friend where you took the braids from and you're good to go. This style is one of my favorite go-to styles when I have my braids on, and this is because the style gives you a kind of hair accessory by the time you are done with it. So what you do is just take your braids at the front, you take them to the side, just what I am doing right here, and you braid the tip of these braids, if that makes sense. You take your braids from the front, you take them to the side and take it to the back of your head. Then the tip of these braids that you have taken from the front, you braid them, and when you're done braiding them, you just attach it to the top of your head. You can see it's giving headband, right? Exactly, that is why I love this particular style. Then you use your bobby pin to pin it down and you are good to go. For the next style, locate the middle point of your braids and divide your braids into two equal halves. Then at the front of each of the halves, you braid it to the side. And when you're done braiding it to the side, you braid it to the tip actually, then you drop it, you go to the other half, you braid the front as well, and you join each of these braids at the back. And that is all you have to do. Remember to brush your edges, and if need be, use your edge control while you're at it, especially when you know your braids are already getting rough at the tip, just like mine, because I've had my braids on for like weeks before I made this video. The next style is similar to the last one, just that this time I'll be braiding each of the halves to the back and securing the tip with a rubber band. Please, when you are doing yours, feel free to use some of the braids to wrap around the rubber band so that the rubber band doesn't show like mine is showing in this video. It looks neater that way. The last style for this video is using a bucket hat, and I usually do this when I'm in a hurry or I do not have the strength to style my hair for that day, or maybe my braids are already rough but the tips are still nice, so I just put on a bucket hat and I am good to go. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you have not liked, please remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and put in the comment section which of the styles today was your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video.